Hi everyone, welcome to DevOps Bunker. In this video, we are going to discuss about GitHub Teams and demo on how to create GitHub Teams and explaining Teams roles. So let's start. Let's go to the GitHub and click on profile icon and come to organization, and we will be able to see one organization here because we have created in previous videos. Click on this org. Here we will be able to see some options here, and we will be able to see teams also. Click on it and click on new team, and I'm giving DevOps team. So you can give the description also. So here there are two options. One is visibility and another one is secret. If you select visible, then everyone in the organization can see this team. But if you want to restrict that, you have to select the secret. So whenever any team mentioned about at the date team name, then you will be able to notify. So if you want to keep that, you can keep it enabled. Otherwise, you can disable that create team. Here, by default, one member added to this one because he is the one who created this team, right? That's why he had a default. So I'm going to add one more member here, which is DevOps Bunker 2. Yeah, because I have added this user to this organization previously. So that's why we will be able to see him here. So now there are two members in this one. But if you see the roles here, maintainer is a DevOps Bunker and member is a DevOps Bunker 2. So coming to these two roles, maintainer can add or remove the members from the team, but member is just a member. He cannot do anything like adding and removing the members. Yeah, that's it. So coming to DevOps Bunker 2, how to make the user as a team maintainer. So select this one, change role, because we have to select maintainer because he is already a member. So I'm selecting maintainer here, change roles. So now DevOps Bunker 2 also can add or remove the members. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you in the next video.